Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to make an e-commerce website on Google Sites. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand the step-by-step process of setting up a functional and stylish e-commerce platform on Google Sites. Firstly, go to sites.google.com. Now here, I am looking for a template. As you can see, there is a template for work, ideal for your help center, as well as templates for projects, teams, small businesses, adult walker portfolios, and residences. Now, I want to find the most suitable template for my actual product, so maybe it is the type for a salon. Now, as you can see, this template will look like my actual design. Now, let us look at the pages and you will see 5 different sections. So here is where you start working. So for example, in the home section, you will find a list of services, the services category. So service number 1 is hairstyling, and you can see its actual pricing. After that, we have nail treatment or makeup services. Also, here we have the about section or the have the testimonials, and also we have contact. Since we are mainly selling products, having a contact page might not be very necessary. So for this, click on the 3 dots here and then click on delete, and also as well for testimonials. So I will just focus on the very first one of them. Also, you want to change the services. So click on the 3 dots and replace services with the new name of your choice. So now I will double click here and change it to our product. After that, here it is. About is now changed into About Us. So now I will go to the home section and start my work. Now I have created a niche, established a website, and set up a template with the 3 pages that I am going to use. Next, let us concentrate on the product you want to sell. Also, having your products will make things a bit easier. Moreover, selling on your website can be tricky with drop shipping or print on demand. But you can try new ideas like moving from one place to another. Now, let us look at how we can do this manually. So here, we have got the home section now, and I want to start customizing my things. Here, I will input Yoko's, the name of my brand, and let us go for the best service or the best styles. Now, I will remove this. Let us move on to the slogan you asked. After that, I will switch the background because it doesn't quite match my brand. Next, I will try changing the background by uploading a new image. And if you don't have one, you can select search to find one. Now, search for a more precise image that matches with what you need and select it. Next, choose the image, and you can also pick directly from the search section here. Now, let us say that I am going to sell some school bags. So as you can see, there are many options, so you can choose the one you want. Once you are done with this, you can now select the option right here. So now, I will move the anchor image slightly down, and now the website looks great. Next, I will delete this, and then I am searching for a full service experience. Now for example, I will remove this and post something like, "We have what you need." Next, go to the second part, which is actual products. Now in the product section, I will remove services and go for our bags. I'll also change the image by repeating the same process. Then, I will search for back to school. It is all customizable and it is up to you. After that, go to Amazon and then search for school bags. Now I just want to focus on my products, so it says services. But let us pretend that this is our actual product. But this is just an example. After that, click on the copy image. Then, I will just use the actual image and move it to the first one because it is the most accurate. Next, I am going to add my image. And now as you can see here are our bags. Now click on the text box and add a description of the product. Next, I will drag and drop this here and then move it down. And now mix the actual product description for my product. So now finally, to sell this product, I will enable the permanent option in Google Sites. Also, I will choose a third-party service to handle the payment processing, as Google Site itself doesn't support this. So for this, I will use Stripe, which is a great platform for receiving payments. Also, you can use PayPal or another service if you prefer. Now, click on the sign in option at the top. Next, click on more, then scroll down and click on product catalog. Now to receive money for a specific product, click on products. Now here, I will create a new product by clicking add product and then import the product name, like school bags, also with the description. Then add the amount of the product and then click on add product. After that, you can also edit your product. Once you're done with this, click on the plus button and then on the payment link. Now I want to get the customer's address and phone number. When you click on created link, your link is now created. Now go ahead and copy it. After that, go back to the Google site. And now in here in the insert section, click on the button option. Now here, type buy now and then paste the copied link and then click on insert. Now move this here. Lastly, just click on the publish button to publish it. So this is how you can make an e-commerce website on Google Sites. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.